Welcome to today's video on best practices for visualizing data. In this video, we'll discuss how to choose the right plot for your data, avoid common pitfalls with scales, use colors effectively, and explore alternatives to pie charts. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of how to create clear and impactful visualizations. Let's get started. In this presentation, we'll cover 4 key objectives. First, we'll learn how to select and interpret the most appropriate plot for the features you want to visualize. Then, we'll explore how to identify and fix misleading scales in visualizations. Next, we'll discuss how to choose color palettes that enhance clarity and accessibility. Finally, we'll explain why pie charts should be avoided and what to use instead. These best practices will improve the effectiveness of your visualizations. Choosing the right visualization starts with understanding your data. For 2 categorical features, bar charts are an excellent choice. For 2 numerical features, scatter plots are the standard. When working with 1 categorical and 1 numerical feature, the choice depends on the relationship you're studying. Simplicity is key. Opt for the simplest plot that conveys your message clearly. Scales play a critical role in visualizations. A misleading scale can distort your message, so always ensure bar charts start at 0. Axes should follow standard conventions, with up and to the right indicating positive directions. Avoid flipping axes, as it can confuse the audience and misrepresent the data. Examples of misleading scales include bar charts that don't start at 0, which exaggerate differences between values, or inverted vertical scales, which can make the data look reversed. Always check scales carefully to ensure accuracy and clarity in your visualizations. Colors are another important consideration. Avoid using red and green together, as this combination is difficult to distinguish for colorblind users. Use high contrast colors to enhance visibility, especially in challenging lighting conditions. Choose palettes that align with the plot's purpose and are accessible to all viewers. Effective color palettes include grayscale or colorblind-friendly palettes, which make visualizations more accessible. Diverging palettes are useful for highlighting differences, while high contrast combinations ensure clarity. Always consider the needs of your audience when selecting colors. Pie charts are visually appealing but often ineffective for conveying information. They make it difficult to compare wedge sizes accurately, and alternatives like bar charts or proportional bar charts are usually better. Use pie charts sparingly and only when proportions are the main focus. Bar charts and proportional bar charts are better alternatives to pie charts. They make it easier to compare values, estimate proportions, and spot differences. The vertical axis in bar charts provides a clear scale, making comparisons straightforward and intuitive. When choosing a plot, the data's feature types should guide your decision. For example, scatter plots are ideal for 2 numerical features, bar charts for 2 categorical features, and box plots or violin plots for 1 categorical and 1 numerical feature. These choices ensure that your visualizations communicate effectively. For correcting misleading scales, ensure that bar chart axes start at 0 and follow standard conventions. This simple adjustment prevents exaggeration and ensures that the visualization accurately represents the data. When choosing colors, opt for accessible palettes that accommodate colorblind users and enhance contrast. For example, using a colorblind-friendly palette in a bar chart helps ensure your visualization is clear and inclusive for all viewers. Today, We covered how to select appropriate visualizations for different feature types. Avoid and correct misleading scales. Choose effective color palettes. And understand why pie charts are often not recommended. Following these best practices will ensure your data visualizations are clear, accurate, and impactful. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.